Bam! Welcome mga Ashak. So ngayon, ano natin ngayon is how to fix your Kinemaster, not initialize. I will do this in Tagalog version and English version. So stay put and watch the video. And this is only a quick fix. So easy. You don't need to download or anything. There's a technique. Okay? If you're using a Kinemaster Diamond and you can't enter because after you update it won't go to the proper initializing. So ganito gagawin natin guys ha. Ito, panoorin nyo lang. Boing! Okay guys, first I will show you the failed Kinemaster, okay? I will show you the problem, okay? So we will pick this in Tagalog. So ito, ganito lang gagawin natin, napakadali, no? Hindi na natin kailangan ng paligoy-ligoy saka mga download pa, okay? Okay, this is it. Watch this. Okay, first we go to Kinemaster. So I'm using a Kinemaster Diamond. Yes, it's a diamond but it's a old version. So there's no there have no many incomplete effects, but it has all the special privileges. Okay, so this is the Kinemaster Diamond. Okay, see it for yourself. So there it is. There's the error. Kinemaster engine failed to initialize. So in Tagalog, ang Kinemaster po ay yung makina niya ay hindi gumagana. Opo, hindi po gumagana na maayos yung makina niya. So what will we do is, okay guys, let's go back again. I will not X this, okay? I'll just go to my home screen. Okay, let's go to the home screen. Okay. So baliktad yung phone ko. So let's go to the home screen. Okay, now we are back in the home screen. So then what will we do? Okay, this is I just experimented and it works. Okay, I hope it works also in iPhone because I use Android. Okay guys, so again we are in home screen. This is what we will do. Itong gagawin nyo in Tagalog version. Itong gagawin nyo guys, lumalik lang kayo sa home screen nyo. Wag nyo X yung kanina binuksan nyo, failed pa rin. So if you want to look at it again, you will see there's the Kinemaster. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Erase this. Okay, only left is the Kinemaster. Okay, I will not X that. Wag natin tanggalin. Then what will you do is go to your Kinemaster again. Then press it hard. Okay, press it hard. Pindutin nyo maigi in Tagalog. Press it hard. Then you will see three options. So three options is share, app info, and uninstall. So don't share it and don't uninstall because you cannot use it again and your privileges will be gone. So what will you do is, wag nyo share sa wag nyo uninstall. Click the app info. Okay, go to app info. Then after that, just go to the end. Okay, just down scroll, baba lang in Tagalog. Down scroll. Then you will see a full screen mode. Okay, it was blue. If in any if that is not blue, if it is off, you can just change that. Okay, it's off. Just one click only. If it is off, make it blue. If it is in black and white, make it blue. If it's in blue, make it black and white. Okay, ganito, pag blue siya, balik nyo lang sa black and white. Pag black and white, balik nyo lang sa blue. So ganito lang gawin nyo. Pindutin nyo lang to, just click this. Okay, the full screen mode. Then after that, don't X this. Okay, what will you do is go to your home screen or go to your Kinemaster. Okay, the Kinemaster that you didn't X it or didn't close it. Okay, hindi nyo tinanggal. Okay, so we'll go to look. It shows in the preview that not fade again. Okay, but if you click this, if you go in there, pag pumunta kayo dito in Tagalog, look what will happen. Ta-da! Now you can use your Kinemaster. So that's the technique. Okay guys, you don't need to download anything, you don't need to reinstall it or anything. You can use it again. Look, okay. See, you can edit now and make your blog or make your music videos, anything. I hope it helps. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo mga Pinoy in Tagalog. Salamat. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this, if I help you. Okay. And this is Obet. Obet, shout. Salita, Obet. Babay na. Babay ka na. Babay.
Anong babay?
Obet, tanga. Naka-record to. Okay guys, thank you again and see you again. I hope it helps. So yun, there. So if you go back again, it's open, okay? Basta open lang yung open lang tong isa, okay? Basta pinalitan nyo lang yun, hindi nyo tatanggalin to, okay? Hindi ko pa natanggalin, ayoko subukan pa kasi just leave it open, okay? This one, okay? Then go back here, there, Kinemaster. We'll try it again, okay? One last time, okay? Remove here, okay, no. Remove what? Remove, okay, remove. Oh yeah, I remove it. So try again. Okay, let's try this again. One more time if it really works. Okay, grant. So it's failed again. Push it hard. Click up info. See, it is black and white. Make it blue. If it's blue, make it black and white. Go back. Kinemaster. Boom. Thanks again, guys. Subscribe again. Okay, bye bye. Mama chup chup.
Baby, please don't kill my vibe. Taking flights cause I'm tryna live my life. Guess I found out that you really ain't my type. Hope you're capping when you're telling me you're right. I'm a buddy or I'm a cash out.